Okay, after EC versus the Congress party, it is now the Congress versus the BJP. And once again, politics over the Pulwama attack. Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has attacked the BJP and questioned its preparedness as well as its intelligence in avoiding attacks. In fact, not just this, he also has raised question mark over whether the Balakot surgical strikes were even authentic at all. Now, this comes just a day after Manishankar Iyer had said that India must speak to Pakistan because after all, they have an atom bomb. As expected, it's given a huge ammunition to the BJP, and the Prime Minister, while campaigning in Odisha, has accused the Congress party of trying to create insecurity or scare among the people of the country. And he also said that post 26/11, the Congress did not take strong action against Pakistan because they were indulging in vote bank politics. Let's listen into the PM and all the reactions.
आप उनसे जितनी कड़ी बात करना चाहते हो करो, लेकिन बात तो करो। बता, उनके एटम बॉम्ब है।
हाँ, ये भी है।
पुलवामा इंसिडेंट होने के बाद सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक में पॉलिटिकल बेनिफिट लेने के लिए मोदी जी कोशिश कर रहा है। मेरा सवाल यह है कि मोदी जी को, भाई आप क्या कर रहा है? पुलवामा इंसिडेंट क्यों हुआ है? क्यों होने दिए?
कांग्रेस बार बार अपने ही देश को डराने की कोशिश करती है। वो कहते हैं संभल के चलो, पाकिस्तान के पास एटम बम है, पाकिस्तान के पास एटम बम है, पाकिस्तान के पास एटम बम है। देश भूल नहीं सकता कि आतंकियों को सबक सिखाने के बजाय ये लोग आतंकी संगठनों के साथ बैठकें करते थे। 26/11 के मुंबई के भयंकर आतंकी हमले के बाद इन लोगों की हिम्मत नहीं पड़ी कि आतंक के सरपरस्तों को पर उन पर कार्रवाई करें। और क्यों? क्योंकि कांग्रेस को, इंडी गठबंधन को लगता था कि अगर हम कार्रवाई करेंगे तो हमारा वोट बैंक नाराज हो जाएगा।
Revanth Reddy should answer the allegations of the RR commissions that has been posed to him. He has signed these big deals with Adani and Ambani, and questions have been posed to him about how much of a kickback has he got, what is this RR commission that is being asked in Telangana, what people are talking about in Telangana. Let him answer those questions. Let him not worry about Narendra Modi ji, and that the people of India will decide what Narendra Modi ji's third term will look like. Is he also, like Sam Pitoda, like Rahul Gandhi, like Manishankar Iyer, becoming an apologist for Pakistani terrorism? And that is his desperation for Muslim votes leading him into a direction where he now has to make people pretend that Pakistan never committed terror attacks against India.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV 18. For all the latest news and updates, do follow us on our social media platforms.